सोचो, अगर एक आर्ट पीस आपको सुरों से जवाब दे। Fatina is where the art breathes and sound responds. Here, the strokes are painted by hand, each one carrying the artist's touch. Our metallic touch sensors shimmer under the light, with their threads embroidered with patience and precision. And when you touch them, the gentle notes of sarangi fill the air. It's not just fabric, it's a conversation between your fingers and music.